How to extract files without WinRar or 7-zip. In this video, we are going to teach you how. So let's begin without any delay. For that, open up your file manager or locate up the file in which you would like to do so. For example, I have opened this right here. So all you're going to do is, in order to do that, first of all, you may locate up the file and right click on the blank space. And after right clicking on it, this opens up. Select the option called new and create up a new folder. And this is done. Once your folder has been created, all you gotta do is simply hover up the folder that you would like to extract. For example, this one right here, you just need to right click on it and hover it up to the new folder. Just drop it down under that section. And when you do that, it will basically be inside your folder. It will start extracting. It will directly show you the extracting option. Otherwise, it will directly be inside the folder like this. When you open it up, you can find your folder right under this. So that is how you basically do it. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.